Hey there, future educators. Just here, and I've got some fantastic news for all the WASSCE graduates out there who dream of becoming teachers. The process of applying for admission into colleges of education, COE, has never been easier. Stick around as I guide you through the simple steps to kickstart your journey towards becoming a teacher. Let's dive in. First things first, if you're ready to embark on this exciting journey, you'll need to get your hands on the admission forms. Luckily, you can purchase them using either the short code or the Momo approach. But here's the catch: the vouchers are limited in quantity, so don't wait too long. Secure yours now. And mark your calendars because the closing date for submission of all requirements is August 31st, 2024. So, don't procrastinate, seize this opportunity to chase your dreams of becoming a teacher. Now, the COE admission application form is priced at a reasonable 320 Ghanaian cedis. It's a small investment for a big opportunity to pursue your passion for teaching. But how do you actually purchase these forms? Let me walk you through it. If you prefer the convenience of the short code method, follow these steps. Step 1. Dial 389. Step 2. Select Buy Tertiary Admission Forms, option 5. Step 3. Choose Purchase Single, option 1. Step 4. Select COE. Step 5. Opt for mobile money and wait for the prompt to approve the transaction. Step 6. Voila! Your code will be sent via SMS after a successful payment. Dial *170# on your phone. Step 2. Select Momo Pay and Pay Bill. Step 3. Choose General Payment. Step 4. Enter MAWU as the payment code. Step 5. Input the amount of 320 Ghanaian cedis. Step 6. Use COE as a reference. Step 7. Approve the transaction. Step 8. Receive your voucher or code via SMS alert. And hey, if you encounter any challenges during the process, don't fret. Reach out to Maulepe Ventures Accra customer care at +233 24086 3948 for assistance. Now that you've got your admission forms, it's time to bring your dream of becoming a teacher to life. Follow these tips to complete your application smoothly. And remember, each applicant is required to print 2 copies of their confirmation page, attach their results slips and any other necessary documents, and send them by post to the College of Education applied to. Don't forget to quote your application reference, form number on your envelope. And there you have it, folks. Your journey to becoming a teacher starts right here, right now. Don't let this opportunity slip away. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars and making a difference in the lives of others. This is Jest, signing off. Best of luck, future educators.